All right, more exponentials. So if you have just a single exponential in your problem, your process is going to be to isolate that exponential and then take the log or ln of both sides. So e to the 3x, we're going to isolate to start. So I'm going to subtract 8. And then divide by 80. And 8 goes into 32 4 times. 8 goes into 80 10 times. And I can even make that smaller. So if I divide both of those by 2, that's going to be 2/5. Okay, so if you're doing this without a calculator, I did that in 2 steps. That's fine for you to do as well. Now we need to solve. Our whole game here is to solve for x. So we need to be able to pull down this exponent. And in order to pull down that exponent, we need to take the log or ln of both sides. Since we have an e in our problem, and ln of e is 1, using ln is going to be beneficial to us here. So I'm going to take the ln of both sides. Make sure whatever you do to one side that you do to the other. And that's going to let us pull down the 3x. And now ln of e is 1, and 1 times 3x is just 3x. ln of 2/5 is its own ugly decimal. So we're looking for exact values. We don't have a calculator for this test, so we're not putting that into our calculator. But we're going to leave that as it is and divide both sides by 3. Now, if that was a multiple choice problem, you could see that written 2 ways. I would probably write that as 1/3 ln of 2/5. But if you write it all divided by 3, that is correct as well. All right, the next problem takes a lot of steps, so I will just stop this recording here.